I see this all over threads lately. Why is it so hard to find a job? I'm over it. Trust me, I've been there. 2008, it was the Great Recession. I sent out over 500 applications, ghosted. Bills started stacking up, so I said, bump this. I tapped into my marketing hustle from back in my 100% commission mortgage days. No job. I made myself the product. Designed my own business cards. Added a tagline plus my top 3 skills. Slapped on a professional photo. Built a brag book that included certificates, recommendation letters, and pipeline reports. Then I hit the pavement. I didn't just get hired, they created a position for me. I went from $8.50 per hour to $20 per hour plus commissions. And I used their scholarship program to earn my master's degree on the side. Look, this economy isn't easy, but you can outmarket the noise. Don't wait for a job, become the answer. That's the same mindset I teach in the Fed to Freedom Blueprint. Yeah, it's made for federal employees, but it works for anyone with a 9-to-5. Got skills but no clue how to monetize them? Let's turn your expertise into $3,000 a month plus without quitting your job.